the Creality Ender 3 V3. Now this is my pick for the best 3D printer for the money because its advanced features are only typically seen on more expensive models. Now this is an ideal choice for someone who is on a budget who wants to play around with a 3D printer. And honestly, it is a really good printer for anyone, even people who take 3D printing seriously. So for starters, the print quality is, in my opinion, surprisingly good. It's not amazing or the best you'll ever see, but as long as your design isn't overly complicated, you can expect a perfect or near perfect final product every single time. It also runs shockingly fast considering its price tag. Now, this is due to one of the most exciting upgrades in the Ender 3 V3, which is its 600mm per second print speed. Paired with a sturdy Core XZ metal frame, you'll also get the stability you need to ensure great quality prints every time. Now, on the topic of stability, the Creality Ender 3 V3 has a dual Z-axis design that ensures smooth, stable movement during printing, which helps reduce errors often seen in lesser printers, like layer misalignment. I mean, the fact that it can produce anything from intricate miniatures to functional prototypes with good results is honestly a testament to how versatile the machine is. And with a build size of 8.6 by 8.6 by 9.84 inches, the Ender 3 V3 gives you the freedom to create mid to large scale projects. It also has a 300 degrees Celsius hot end, so you can work with a range of materials. Even if you're experimenting with high temperature filaments like ABS and PETG, the Ender 3 V3 delivers consistent results. It also has a great auto leveling feature, which helps take the headache out of manual adjustments. Combined with a large touchscreen interface, navigating through settings and initiating prints is a straightforward, easy experience. Now, overall, the Creality Ender 3 V3 is the best 3D printer for the money because it delivers great quality that is on par with some of the more expensive high-end models, but at a fraction of the cost. And please keep in mind that if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, check out the links below. Prices update on these 3D printers almost daily with sales and general price drops. So if you want to find the most updated information, check out the description. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and also subscribing. Next,